hi Mattia, it's a pleasure, first time being here in Eureka.
Welcome, nice to be here.
Super. We are here now in the middle of Italy,
yes.
Florence, and we have a new product, the Libra. It's a grind by weight grinder.
Yes.
And I like it because it's a super basic design with a cool function.
Absolutely. This is, let's say, our grind by weight grinder, as you said correctly, and is equipped with a new technology that we patented. So it's a patent by Eureka, and the technology is called instant grinding weighing technology. So basically, you don't grind by time, but you grind by weight. So the goal here is to provide a grinder which is extremely precise. So we are talking about an average variation which is below 0.2 grams. So it's extremely precise, and at the same time extremely easy to use. So what you see here in the display, now we have 17.
It's not seconds but gram.
Exactly. So this is grams. So once you, with your preferred coffee, find your recipe, let's say that with this coffee, which is Italian medium roast, you have 17.5. The only thing you need to do is to select the grams, so you can easily decrease or increase, and then the only thing you have to do is, of course, adjust the fork, and it's extremely easy to adjust. You need to. You
think it's easier with
the left hand? You keep it. With the right hand, you lock. You secure the knob here.
Okay. And this one is called funnel in English, or what's the name?
Funnel, which is an extremely important tool. Because when you grind more than 15 grams, which is very common in Germany, but in every market nowadays, I mean, people wants to grind usually more than 15 grams. This is very important because allows you to not lose and not waste coffee. So you will not, on one way, you will not lose coffee, and on the other hand side, you will be consistent, you will be precise.
Yes, so that's the wife acceptance factor. It gets less messy.
Exactly. So,
and
I would suggest let's make a shot.
Sure, absolutely.
So we are going to. This is our new scale. Precisa scale that we are now selling with this weighing plate.
Cool. What is the advantage of this plate?
The advantage of the plate is that you can easily weight and scale the portafilter. So you have a wider base. So let's make a try.
Okay.
So once you select the grams, you have to push on the button. I think this.
And then that's the detail adjustment.
Yes, it's adjusting.
Wow, that's cool. 17.6. 0.1. Almost. Wow.
It's precise.
Really precise. Oh wow, that's cool. And if you take off, so first maybe then a little bit of leveling.
Yes, and then you can use our tamping station if you want to.
Sure. Also here maybe first the leveler.
The leveler.
Of course, then we have to define this one is a little bit too high, so then we can adjust the height.
Yes, absolutely.
We put it a little bit down, so this is up. I mean. Turn like this,
Maybe a little bit deep.
So,
perfect.
And we see the depth is right when it's good, when the distribution is okay. So then the tamping, I see two different tampers here.
Yes. This one is a standard tamper, and it's adjustable. You can remove the rings if you have a small end.
I just put it like this, and this one here.
This is a dynamometric.
Ah, okay,
so
cool.
With this lip, you will always be able to, to press evenly. Yes.
Ah, so I test with the dynamometric.
Yeah, you are but you are
this
you are a good barista. So
so this one here, 3 fingers. Okay, so then you feel it's horizontal.
But try also the easy.
Yeah, okay, now I do the easy going way.
Exactly.
Ah, super easy and smooth.
Exactly.
Like this. And you can adjust the tamping pressure here.
No, this is fixed.
Okay, that's fixed.
Yes.
Fixed to which parameter? The weight?
You mean how many kilos?
Yes.
I think it's around 20.
Okay, cool. Yes. And what we see here is almost, no waste.
No waste.
Wow, cool. That's really cool. So now we go to the professional machine and we see in case the semi-professional grinder gives a good result with a professional machine that says already everything. So a short flush.
Exactly. You have the the scaling also here, so you have to place the
cups before.
Cups.
Okay. Ah, yeah. This is
the gravimetric system.
Yeah. Okay. And now.
Please. And now.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. Easy.
And now the second button. The second.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here. Ah, yeah. And here we see the timer.
Yes.
Super interesting. Here. Flow is very nice. Cool. Wow, here. Nice. And now stop. So that's enough. Wow, that's a nice espresso concerning the color. Really cool. So now, of course, we have to test if we did good or excellent.
It looks very good, huh?
Yeah, the color is nice. That's already the second parameter. First parameter was the flow. So we had 32 seconds and 30 gram, which is okay.
Which is okay. I mean, maybe we can change some parameters. If
yes, of course. But now smelling is good.
Yes, good.
Like to me, it looks like Italian roast 80-20.
Yes, it is.
But I have no clue.
No, I think it's if it's 100% Arabica.
Yes. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. It's soft.
Yes. You don't have Robusta in it.
Yeah.
It's medium roasted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Quite light, and for afternoon it's excellent. I do not like this Robusta stuff in afternoon. Yeah.
Maybe in the morning.
To have the right kick. But so, Mattia, the grinder is nice. One thing I'm interested in still, how to calibrate the grinder. Is there a calibration?
Yes, there is a calibration. Let's say that.
Yeah.
The calibration is already made, so the grinder is already calibrated in our factory.
Yes.
So you don't need to calibrate. So the only thing you need to do is to open it.
Yeah.
Plug in and start working.
Ah, cool.
Then there is a recalibration process that you need to do only in let's say if over time the grinder loses a little bit precision, then you can do it. But this is I mean very easy to do. You have everything in the manual. So there are a few steps to follow.
Oh, okay, super. So recalibration is only occasionally.
Only occasionally.
Okay, cool. Wow, so for me, it's also amazing, a good price point, super quality.
Yes, absolutely.
And yeah, even with the professional machine. So I must say, wow, I'm really convinced.
Thank you.
Cool deal. Also, that's a really
absolutely. This is
wow.
We are very happy about the performance of the product. Yes.
So yeah, you can save a scale in this case.
Yes, you can. If you want, you can save a scale. But you can always need a scale also for your coffee machine to check the extraction.
Yeah.
But of course, you don't need the scale to adjust the grind.
Yeah, and I see the big advantage that people get a better experience how much coffee they use. When they see 6 seconds or 7 seconds, they often have no clue whether they use 15, 16, 17, 18 gram, and so it gets the experience faster of approaching a good espresso.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So much more intuitive.
Yeah, absolutely. So therefore, I'm quite happy.
Good.
Yeah, cool. Wow.
Good job then.
Yeah, super. Ciao.
Bye, ciao.